Teriyaki and my saltfish we not left ya. Savia man banana we not left ya. I'm a big flour dumpling we not left ya.
Ain't nothing like the sea cool breeze a jammed up. String up the sun while heap of vibes can't done. Reggae music beautiful and people just a have fun. Jerk on a place a work a fish a steam down.
Me proud of me island. Lord of God me say me proud of me island.
Good night, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Mackenzie Kitchen. Tonight we got steamed fish and crackers. So we got steamed fish and water crackers, real Jamaican style. So please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, this is all we're going to use steamed fish tonight. So we have butter, we have a little fish nougat, we have some okra, we have hot pepper, we have pumpkin, we have sweet pepper, carrot, string bean, onion, and we have garlic. And we have two nice fish over here, so we're going to steam tonight, my people. So now move our muscle. So everything look like my people when you cut up. So we have an onion, carrot, string bean, sweet pepper, sweet pepper, sweet pepper, 3 different colors. Now we have pumpkin, we have okra, we have butter, we have hot pepper, and we have garlic. Alright, we have a season up the fish them now. See them? We'll go wash them off and season them up. Alright, my people, it can a little bit dark because now night, about after 8, you know, so we'll put a little cut on the fish so the season can soak in to the side. Next fish. Next fish. Wash them off with vinegar and water. Wash off and then clean them. And the seed them. As you know, people, a little bit dark. So, because the night. So, the Maggi season right here. People see fish in here now. Season up with little Maggi season. Then we got a little salt. No, nothing, a little bit of salt. And now we're going to move over to seasoning on the board. This side pot we're going to cook in. So we're going to put the butter in the bottom of the pot. Little bit of okra in the bottom of the pot. Little bit of pumpkin in the bottom of the pot. So okra and pumpkin gone and butter. I put a little bit of onion in the bottom of the pot, a little bit of carrot in the bottom, little string bean, little of everything in the bottom of the pot. And now we're going to place the 2 fish them now on top. We're going to place the 2 fish them now on top of the vegetable, just like that. Then go for the next fish. Alright, my people, so we had a little bit of water in the bottom of the pot. My camera really gave me a little problem a while ago. So now we are going to add the fish nougat. We're adding the fish nougat, just a little bit. Different way we are steaming fish today. Then now we're gonna add in some garlic, some scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna add in pumpkin. We're gonna add in some okra, sweet pepper, string bean, and we're gonna add in some carrot and onion. So we have carrot, onion, string bean, sweet pepper, pumpkin, scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. And a little piece of butter, a little bit of water. So we'll put him on the fire now. We can go and steam. Yeah, my people, fish up on the fire now. Yeah, cover him up. Then cover him up and then we get back to him, okay? Alright, my people. See me now? My bubble up, you know? Yeah, man. Fish nice. Nice steam fish. So add in my crackers in it. Yeah, man. Right way. So on a bossy. And the pumpkin them to cook, so put them to the side. Okay. Man, some of the real water crackers in it and make him go down in the right place. Beautiful steam fish. Alright, my people, my God, in the water crackers, you know. Yeah, man. Fish are coming, you know. The steam fish and water crackers. To get them down in the juice, huh? Just steam fish and water crackers, put the lid in a pencil, man. Trouble night. Yeah, man. Trouble night in there, you know? I'm not put no more crackers in it, but yeah, this is I finish I fish now. Ready up and turn off the fire and it right now. Then I go plate him out and come back right back to my people. Alright, this is I plate my people. I'm going to add in the fish right now. That's how the plating look like. Pumpkin, okra, onion, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, real Jamaican water crackers.